Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the WH1000xm4 on and preparing the source device. Make sure the headphones aren't actively connected to another device, otherwise pairing won't start. Once the headset is on, go to your phone or computer's Bluetooth settings so you can confirm the pairing prompt immediately. You don't need apps for this step, just visibility. This quick setup prevents timeouts and avoids confusion when you trigger pairing mode in the next step. You now put the headphones into pairing mode. Press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds. Keep holding until you hear the voice prompt that says Bluetooth pairing and see the LED alternating blue and red. That confirms the headset is discoverable. At that moment, switch to your device and look for WH1000xm4 in the Bluetooth list. Tap it to pair. If the pairing prompt appears, accept it. Once paired, the voice will confirm the connection and the LED stops flashing. Complete the process by confirming your device shows the WH1000xm4 as connected and test audio playback at moderate volume. If nothing appears in the Bluetooth list, turn the headphones off, wait 2 seconds, then repeat the 7-second power button press to re-enter pairing mode. If pairing still fails, clear Bluetooth memory on the source or reset the headset. Follow manual for reset, because too many remembered devices can block discovery. These steps solve most issues, so you can...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.